If your Wi-Fi suddenly became slow, it might not be your provider's fault. Your neighbor could be using your internet right now. This is more than just annoying. Slow internet is the least of your worries. They could be stealing your personal data, your banking information, or even conducting illegal activities that get traced back to your IP address. A weak Wi-Fi signal is an open invitation for trouble. And the scary part? Most people never even check. So let's fix that right now. First, let's check who's connected to your network. Grab your computer or phone, open a web browser, and type in your router's IP address. This is usually 192.168, 1.1 or 192.168, 0.1. You'll see a login page. The default username and password are often printed on a sticker on your router itself. Once you're in, look for a section called Connected Devices or DHCP Clients. This list shows every single device using your Wi-Fi. You'll see names like Sarah's iPhone, living room TV, or HP laptop. Scroll through this list carefully. If you see any device names you don't recognize, that's your warning sign. Someone is on your network who shouldn't be. Found a suspicious device? It's time to kick them out. Next to each device name in the list, you should see an option to disconnect, remove, or block. Click it immediately. This will boot them off your network. But don't relax just yet. If they know your password, they can simply reconnect. Kicking them out is just a temporary fix. To stop them for good, we need to change the locks. This next step is the most important one. We're going to change your Wi-Fi name and password. In your router settings, find the Wireless or WLAN section. First, look for the SSID, which is your Wi-Fi network's name. Change it to something that doesn't identify you. Never use your name, your address, or your apartment number. Be creative. Next, and most critically, change your password. Make sure your security type is set to WebP 2 or even better WebP if you have it. Your new password should be at least 12 characters long and include a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. A password like 12,345,678 is useless. A strong one looks more like FB3R Max at 2026. Once you've changed these, you'll have to reconnect all of your own devices with the new password, but it's a small price to pay for security. Want to take your security to the next level? Let's enable AMP address filtering. It sounds complicated, but it's actually very simple. Every device, your phone, laptop, smart TV, has a unique, unchangeable ID called a MAC address. Think of it like a device's fingerprint. In your router settings, you can create an allowed list of these MAC addresses. You can find your device's MAC address in its network settings. Simply copy the MAC address from each of your trusted devices and add them to this list. Then, enable MAC filtering. Now, only the devices on your approved list can connect to your Wi-Fi, even if someone else gets your password. It's like having a bouncer for your internet. Here are a few quick bonus tips for an even more secure network. First, turn off WPS, or Wi-Fi Protected Setup. It's a known security risk. Second, regularly check for and install router firmware updates. These updates often patch security holes. And finally, change your router's admin login password, the one you used to get into the settings. Don't leave it as admin. So here's the final word. If you don't take a few minutes to secure your Wi-Fi, someone else will gladly use it. And when trouble comes looking for them, it's going to knock on your door. Don't let that happen. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button to let me know you just secured your network. And for more simple security tips that actually work, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Stay safe out there.